Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make steak pinwheels. This easy guide will help you create a delicious and impressive meal. First, choose a good cut of steak, like flank or sirloin, about 1/2 inch thick. Then, gather your favorite fillings, perhaps some fresh spinach and creamy cheese. Finally, pound the steak evenly to about 1/4 inch thick. This ensures even cooking and a tender result. Now, let's add the delicious filling. Spread your chosen ingredients, like a mixture of spinach and feta, evenly across the pounded steak, leaving a small border around the edges. This prevents the filling from squeezing out. Carefully and tightly roll the steak from one end to the other, creating a firm log. Finally, secure the roll with kitchen twine, tying it at about 1-inch intervals to keep everything perfectly in place. With your steak roll prepared, it's time to create the pinwheels. Using a very sharp knife, carefully slice the secured roll into 1-inch thick pieces. Next, heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Sear the pinwheels for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they are beautifully browned. This creates a fantastic crust and locks in the juices before finishing them in the oven. To finish cooking, bake the pinwheels in the oven until they reach your desired doneness. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, remove them from the oven and let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. Finally, remove the twine and serve your delicious steak pinwheels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.